Ho, ho, ho! It seems you've all been very naughty this year and not doing your stretches. So you'll all be getting injured this year.
Dodgy knees. Oh, man.
I'm a rotator cuff injury. Jiggers.
Back pain.
Oh,
Not again.
What the? That's not fair.
Don't let Santa ruin your Christmas with aches and pains. Get Flong and Flexible and take advantage of our Christmas discounts. There's money off all our online programs. Just head over to tommorrison.uk to check them out.
Tom, stop! Think of the children!
Again, Daddy! Again!
Merry Christmas, everyone!